This video is going to be all about multiplication table. Let's see the multiplication table of 9 first. This is the easiest one. The first step is to write numbers from 0 to 9. The second step is also the same. Just write the numbers backwards. That's it! Isn't that easy? Now let's look at the multiplication table of 8. Remember in the multiplication table of 9, we wrote numbers from 0 to 9. Here we're going to write numbers from 0 to 8. But here we need to memorize something. We need to repeat the 4 here and continue the sequence till 8. Now let's look at what is in the ones place. Let's write even numbers from 0 to 8. The sequence is 2 sets of even numbers from 0 to 8. Let's learn the trick for the multiplication table of 7 now. Have you ever played the game Tic-Tac-Toe? Then this will be very easy for you. So first let's draw a Tic-Tac-Toe table. Now write the numbers from 1 to 9 in the table. Now let's fill the table with a pattern. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Did you note the pattern? We are filling with numbers from 0 to 6. But just that the number in the third column gets repeated in the next row. Now let's see some tricks for the multiplication table of 6. Here the trick is only for multiplication of 6 with even numbers. That is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now let's write a sequence from 1 to 4. On the ones place, write the number with which we are multiplying 6. In the first one, it is 2. For the second one, it's 4. For the third, it's 6. And for the fourth, it's 8. Isn't this easy?